My name is Fiona Nisima. I work for Integrated Seed Sector Development Program in Uganda. My position, I'm supposed to work with the farmers such that they produce seed as a business. The course has been very interesting. First of all, it is a demand-driven course whereby our input was requested for at the beginning of the course before we came here when we were applying. So we were asked, for example, what do you think? We were given the course outline. What do you think can be added? So I feel that this course really is a good course because it puts into considerations of what you really want to find or what you want to be added in case it was missing. Also, the approach that was used during the facilitation, it was both, first of all, in class. That is, you sit, you're taught about different topics. For example, enabling environment. Those are the policies and other things. Then you also taught marketing strategies and all that. But you first do that in class. Then you also have the field part of it, which is basically saying what is happening. I mean, trying to get the difference from what is being done in your country and what is being done, for example, in the Netherlands. We were given group work, then you participate, different participants, different countries, and you get to really learn from different people. You not only team up with your friend from the same country or from the same program, but you're teaming up with people from the United States, teaming up with people from Ethiopia, which is a good thing. And this facilitator is bringing new knowledge, so you're applying it there theoretically, but at the end of the day, you're able to get really different you're able to get new knowledge, and you don't stay with your closed thinking and you think, okay, what I know from the Ugandan seed sector is enough. No. So it was really good. I considered it something we don't usually use back home. Participating a lot during, for example, conferences, it was good. It is very interesting. You learn, you apply. You learn from class, you also apply somehow in class by reflecting by reflecting in relation to what you do, and then also at the end of the day you go to the field and also see. Then at the end, after everything, you are going to develop an action plan. An action plan, it means really you came focused. The money was spent well to attend the course, meaning you really didn't just to come to see the Netherlands in case you had never come, but you came to pick something new and you translate it into the context where you're coming from. For example, I work with local seed businesses in Uganda, and I've learned a lot from here, and we are going to apply it according to the context in which they work. Thank you.